This microcredential focuses on horticulture retailing and contains 4 targeted skills. This targeted skill is about estimating product quantity. Horticulture operations involves many calculations, from electricity and water consumption to plant supplies. One of the main sources of income is the annual bedding plants, vegetables, and perennials grown in pots or flats of various sizes. Knowing how to estimate the number of pots, growing medium, and plants is important. When it comes to filling a pot with soil, determining how much soil you need is an approximation. Polystyrene inserts fit into flats that have compartments for 4 or 6 packs and are used for growing annuals and vegetables. Commercial potting medium is sold by the cubic foot, signified as FT cubed. You can fill about 6 of these inserts from 1 cubic feet of potting medium. If a case of 48 cell 806 polystyrene 6-pack inserts has 100 inserts, you need 100 divided by 6, or about 17 cubic feet of potting medium. Pots are usually sold by their diameter. The amount of potting soil needed to fill one is related directly to its diameter. If you want to produce 100 chrysanthemums in 6-inch pots, then you need to calculate the potting soil required. Using accepted industry estimates, 1 cubic foot of potting soil will produce about 16 6-inch pots. To estimate the amount of soil needed for 100 pots, we would divide 16 into 100 to get an answer of 6.25, which is the number of cubic feet of potting soil needed. When soil is moistened, compression can occur, meaning that you would need about 15 to 20% more potting soil. It would be best to round up the estimate of 6.25 to 7 cubic feet to allow for any possible soil compression in the 100 6-inch pots. You will also want to utilize the space in your greenhouse or flower bed efficiently. When laying out this space, the plan is generally to place the plants evenly apart and in straight and even rows. You can use taut string to mark rows when straight rows are desired. Most annual bedding plants can be spaced 4 inches apart. That means that 3 plants will fit in a 1-foot length and 9 will fit in a square foot. If the space available is 100 square feet, or an area of 10 foot by 10 foot, estimate that you can accommodate 9 plants per square foot. That would mean you could plant 900 bedding plants. To have a visual impact on potential customers, select bright colors placed in interesting patterns. Finally, knowing how to estimate the amount of soil for flats of pots is important to a horticulture business. This microcredential should have helped you to understand how to calculate materials needed to produce enough plants each year to meet your consumer demand.